Hello everyone, Cool Sirens 1000T here. I'm here in Hazel Crest, Illinois at their fallen Federal Sign Signal STL-10. Yep. Here is their fallen STL-10. This thing took damage on Monday during the tornadic winds, and it completely fell. I'm surprised it didn't collapse into this garage, but there it is. If we look here at the base of the pole, we can see that, if my camera focuses, that it's completely rotten through. Yeah. So here's the head. Surprisingly, despite it actually collapsing, there isn't real damage to anything at all. Well, maybe like the pole and the roof, but the Siren seems to be in pretty good shape. It doesn't look like it sustained any damage. Let's see if we can see the tag. I don't know if you guys can see the tag right there, but seems like it's a 1963 model with a Valley motor. Well, here's the motor starter and the FC. Both of them are in pretty good shape, no damage at all. Like I said, this Siren doesn't seem like it took any damage, despite the pole breaking and it collapsing. But alright, so here's the tag on this. As you can see, it's a single phase. Not many of those out there. Of course, the whole power is off. No power is going into the Siren or almost everything around the neighborhood or in the village at this point, but yeah. Here's looking at the Siren at the other angle. Yeah, so it completely fell on top of this shed or garage, but it didn't collapse, surprisingly. Despite it taking a pretty bad fall, well, the Siren doesn't seem to have taken any damage whatsoever. The head is completely fine, and as well as the controllers. So pretty much this Siren could be reinstalled on a new utility pole and it should work just fine. But knowing the company Braniff, which maintains and installs Sirens around the Chicagoland area, that may not be a possibility, and this thing may just be replaced with a 2001 130. So that was it.